Okay, guys. So probably while you were watching that first video, I jumped in and took the second trade because I got all four of my steps again. So understanding the strategies is the most important part in the beginning. In the beginning, right? Once you know these strategies as good as I know them and as quick as I know them and as fast as I know them and the ins and outs and how much am I going to make and how much am I going to lose and what's my risk, what's my margin, all of that, what's my everything. Once you know all that, then you don't think about that part anymore, right? You don't worry, oh my God, did the strategy work? Well, it's worked for 11 or 12 years, right? So I think it's probably going to continue to work. Now, do you have to make adjustments? Yes. But if you don't know the strategy, you don't know what to adjust, right? So all this get rich quick stuff, you got to get that out of your head, and you've got to get some real education. And so for the four people that's training right now, you'll get out of this program what you put in, right? So if you're sending me 3 or 4 homework assignments 3 or 4 days a week, you're going to advance much quicker than someone that hadn't sent me any homework in 2 weeks, right? So they put the same amount of money in, but the outcome's going to be different based off of each individual. And I use what's called DISC, D-I-S-C, and that's a DISC profile. So these are everybody's DISC profiles. And so I've done I've done 6, right? So 4 out of the 6 that I've done are taking classes, and the other 2, I've taken their DISC profile, but they're still working through the free classes. Not a single one of these 6 people think the same way. Not a one, right? So let me help you. Let me teach you that psychology is 85% of every single trade, whether it wins or loses, right? Let's find out if you have a solid trading plan. First of all, let's find out if you know what a trading plan is. Then let's see if you have a solid one, right? And then let's see if you know how to create a solid one if you don't. And then that trading plan is to hold you accountable when I'm not around, right? When you're practicing. So let's start with that. Then let's find out if you have a skill set at all. And I don't care if you use my indicators, right? As long as you've got a strategy that you can trade in the money, at the money, and out of the money. So you need 3 strategies because this market is either going up, down, or sideways. There is no other option, right? So you need an in the money, at the money, and out the money strategy to find out if you're playing up, down, or consolidating, equal, pausing, flattening out. How do I play it? What do I do? And if you have one, great. Explain it to me. Tell me what your record is. If it maintains a 70% win rate over a day, a week, a month, a year, a decade, like my system, then I'll let you use that, and then I'll help you with your psychology. Okay? I'm looking at my timer. And I'll help you with your psychology. If you show up without a trading plan or a base skill set, right? In other words, don't tell me you know how to weld and I'm going to hire you to weld for me at my shop, and then you show up and you can't weld, okay? That's the same thing as someone that says they can, oh, I got a good system. I just need to know when I'm supposed to get in or get out. Well, a good system tells you when you're supposed to get in and get out, right? So help me help you. If you're watching this on YouTube, head to the website and get started with some free classes. If you're already in here and you're watching this in the training channel, then you see firsthand what's going on. You see firsthand how this system works. And you're here, and it doesn't cost you anything to be in this Slack group. You can ask all the questions you want, right? So if I can help you, let me know. If you're one of my trainees, get me some homework. Keep doing what you're doing. Ask questions, learn, challenge the system, challenge me, right? And let me help you. Any questions, let me know. Christine, I'll see you in 45 minutes. Peace.